With the hocus pocus, you're in focus. It's your lucky day. Smile, you're on Candid Camp.
Marty, that bun looks like a crouton in your hand. Have Igor, the bus driver. How's everybody doing today?
I see Igor got a seat at the table there.
Yeah.
Special.
Yeah.
Special.
Yeah. It's the sweepstake winner. Yeah. We'll move on to the senior table.
Yeah. The whole thing? Yeah, like 3 laps too. Can't have your shoes out for more than 20 minutes.
What are you doing right now?
I'm a trainer.
Nate, what did you order? What did you order? Words from a great warrior. And some younger group here probably ordered some chicken fingers and on the side, boys. Go ahead. So look at downtown Albany. What did you order, Kyle? Yeah, a little New York. Rare, right? Hey, Lou. Not much. You? Hey, beautiful day in Albany. That's fine. This is what a fine looks like. Red shirt.
With the hocus pocus, you're in focus. It's your lucky day. Smile, you're on Candid